Hello, this is the Mobile Computer Repair 757. This is another tidbit for everybody. If you're selling on Facebook, and I speak from experience, you're going to get a lot of people trying to buy whatever it is. There are people who literally sit around and wait for new ads, and this is what they're going to do. They're going to click on and say, is this available? Then they're going to say, I want to confirm that you are a real person. Please take this code and send it to me. I'm going to send you something, and then there's going to code that's going to pop up on your phone, and they're going to ask for the code. What they have just done, they're trying to say that they are you, and of course you have to have a code to verify that it is you. Once you give them that code, now they have taken over your Facebook account, and what they're going to do is they're going to sell stuff that they're never going to give except the money, and then the police is going to be called, and the police is going to be looking at you, even though your account has just been hacked, and you got to prove this. Again, I'm going to emphasize this again. If you're selling something and someone says they want to verify you are a real person, that is complete BS. You do not have to verify anything. If they want to buy it, they can buy it. But what they're going to do is go into your account and say they are you. You're going to get a code, and they're going to ask you, can you give me the code to verify who you are, so they can take over your account. This is with Yahoo. This is with Facebook. This is with a lot of places. Anytime anything pops up and says, please give me the code, and that is not a legitimate thing that you tried to do not do it. This is just a tidbit from the Mobile Computer Repair 757. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.